glad you could join us again. This is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on a 2021 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. The point of our walk arounds is easy, to be as transparent as possible and show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos that are located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down. They're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description, which highlights features and options of the Wrangler, just scroll up. It's located above this video. If you're on a YouTube page and would like to see either one of those, plus view a free CARFAX report, see the original window sticker, maybe get some financing options, or to get a quote to ship this Wrangler anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the very end of this video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the Jeep. So thanks again for joining us, and let's go ahead and do that walk around. All right, this will be a quick walk around because there's really nothing to show you. Point of these is to show you cosmetic imperfections, and there really isn't any on this. This Jeep's in excellent condition. There's no dents, dings, or scratches. Wheels are in perfect shape as well. Full size, brand new spare. This is a hard top Jeep that can be removed. And as you can see up top, that is also like new. But being a year old with 8,300 miles on it, give or take, is what you would expect. All right, looking at what doesn't show up in our photos, this side of the visors and the top. As you can see, it's all in like new condition, plus the top of the dash. But if you do have any questions on the interior exterior, give Jennifer a call. Her name and number is located at the top of your screen. We look forward to seeing you next time.